How to log into Capital One UK credit card online account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and then head over to capitalone.com. Here you first want to log into your account. For that, click on the option of sign in, then enter your username. After that, you want to enter your password. If you want your credentials to be remembered, check this box that says Remember Me. Now over here, you want to click on the sign in option. If you are new to this, click on this link to set up your online access. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you want to click on this link that says Forgot User ID or Password. Then here you will have to enter your last name, then enter your social security number. After that, enter your date of birth and click on the option of Find Me. Then you will be able to retrieve your username or reset your password. After entering the correct credentials, you will be able to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you simply want to head over to the account dashboard and click on the option of credit cards. There you will be able to view your credit card balance, recent transactions, statements, rewards, and other account details. Over there, you also will be able to apply for a new credit card. All you have to do is find the one that suits you the best, then click on the Apply Now option. Then you will simply have to fill up an online form and then submit your application. Once your bank reviews and approves your application, you will be able to get your credit card. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.